right where this is where the target's at. I wanted to show you that. Look, it's loose. This is where the target's at. Cross our fingers. That sounds good. Well, you know why that target sounded good? Because it is good. It's a piece of gold. Look at that right there. All right, let's get it out of there, see if there's any other targets there. There she is. Hopefully there's more here, but we're not gonna complain. Can you see that? It's another piece of gold. Yes. And we got it out of there. That's a nice piece. Woohoo! There she is. Number 2. Gotta stay hydrated, everybody. Well, I'm officially out of targets here, but all I gotta do is move some more boulders